So today is January 1st, 2020, and I hope you guys had a good New Year's. Everything went well, had good times, stayed out of trouble. Today I'm starting off the new year with a daily vlog. My goal is to vlog Monday through Friday and hopefully give you guys an insight of kind of who I am, how I do things. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlogging series. Not sure how long it's going to last. I'm just going to do my best and see how long I'll be able to do it. I don't really have a goal set in mind. I just want to do it. Just start doing videos every day. Got into my first job. It's an existing project here, doing quite a bit of work actually. But today I'm going to be working on some gas line and vent hood ducting. So that's what I'm working on today. Pretty cool location out here. Just downtown Nashville area. Got a cool church right across the street. It's pretty neat. I like working down here. These old buildings, old homes, they got a lot of character. So this is our kitchen. Our range is going to go here, so we're going to bring in a 3/4 inch gas line for this particular range. And then we're going to have an exhaust hood mounted here. And I'll have to run a 10-inch duct up through the ceiling and out through the roof. So that's what I'm working on now. Cut off 2 valleys of the jacket. Oh yeah. So it looks good. Nice and perfectly round. Looks nice. So these flexible gas lines, these fittings, there's a little ring that you basically clamp on to the first valley. And that's what holds everything in place. You gotta be careful though, so you don't egg the ring where it's nice and round. As you tighten it down. Perfect. Always hand tighten first. All right. Alright, so I got the gas line stubbed up for now. I just need to go down into the basement and continue that gas line and tie it into the main line. But for at least now, the cabinets and the range can get set. So now I need to work on stubbing the vent pipe down as well. So now I'm up here in the attic, and this is where the vent pipe's going to come through. I had to cut all this insulation out. So basically we'll have a 90 come up through here and then go up through the ceiling, or through the roof rather. So now I just got to cut that out from below, and then I'll be able to run the piping. So at this point everything's going pretty smooth. Spotting out that vent for the hood actually worked out a little bit better than I thought. I thought it was gonna be more difficult, but worked out pretty nice. So I think it's gonna work out pretty good. With thinking about working on New Year's Day. It's pretty quiet. There's really nobody else out. Kind of actually makes me feel good. Like I'm doing something like I'm doing something I should be doing. Out here working while everybody else is still hungover. Not saying that I'm not hungover. Just saying. But today's going to be just a relaxed, easy day. Spotting this stuff out, getting the gas line, you know, stubbed up through, and then getting this vent stubbed down as well. And then I got to go look at an estimate to do a split system replacement on the way back home. So I'm not getting myself into too much work today. Just trying to tie up a few loose ends, get a little bit of work done. It's better than nothing. All right, so I've got the vent pipe stubbed through the ceiling from the attic. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today, so I can head on down the road to go do an estimate real quick. I'll be back tomorrow to button up some other things, seal around everything, and so forth. So as far as today, that's gonna be it. Grab all my tools and get out of here. This job has been kind of going on for a little while. It's been actually a pretty big project. I replaced both of their 3-ton split systems. I also installed a 3-zone Mitsubishi ductless system, as well as what we saw today, gas line and vent piping for the hood, for the kitchen. Also some supply vents that I added, or I still need to add actually. But it's been quite a bit of work for this project, and we're getting close to the end where there's just quite a few little small things to button everything up. That's kind of what I'm working on now. And but yeah, and I'll show you guys more about kind of what I've been doing there. I'll show you the Mitsubishi system and the Train heat pump split systems as well. But that was today. The cabinets are obviously already set. The countertops are coming in and the appliances are coming in, so that's why they wanted me to get that gas line and the vent kind of stubbed into place so they could just connect to it, and nobody gets held up. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to come back tomorrow and probably finish that gas piping and the vent completely. Go ahead and terminate it to the main gas trunk, and then vent that piping out through the roof as well. I think we're supposed to have some good weather, so I'll probably take care of that. I'm headed back towards the house. I'm going to stop and do an estimate really quick for replacing a system, and that should pretty much complete January 1st of 2020.
Here, because I can hear it in her bedroom, but it doesn't bother me, so I'm guessing there.
Yeah, so
What did you drill this with?
I have a core bit.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll make another core basically right there and then come out. All right, so I'm finished with that estimate. Should be turned out to be a pretty good little project. I'll be swapping out the heat pump split system for the main part of the house, and the customer wants the condenser relocated to the side of the house, so that'll be about 50 feet of line set. It's all a basement, open basement, so everything's easily accessible. So shouldn't be too difficult there. But yeah, that wraps it up for my day. Head to the house. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support. Make sure you like, leave a comment. Really helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.